Come on, he's got 10 people and he's already smoking us. Please. Let's smoke diamond, please. Come on.
What?
Nothing. Perșăndenie.
I'm smoking cigarettes. No problem.
Oh my god. How is the weather in Albania? Is it tough, hot?
Normal. It's okay.
Normal.
You come here. No problem.
Yo. Faleminderit. You come to London. Welcome to London. You come?
Yes, no money.
No money.
Yes.
You have money. You have.
No money, no. You have money?
No money. Scarlett.